हाँ और थोड़ा आगे जा, और थोड़ा आगे जा, और थोड़ा, बस बस। ओके एक सेकंड, मैं हॉर्न करता हूँ। ओके लेट स्टार्ट। Okay, so this is the race we've been waiting for. The king of scooters here in India, Activa versus Ola, the new kid on the block who's been creating waves, and EV versus ICE. Who's going to win? Head start देके भी हाँ again Ola wins. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Head start देके भी this thing is absolute animal, huh? This thing is beast in the hyper mode. एक तो हॉर्न दे दूं, तीन हॉर्न। नहीं हॉर्न ठीक है। रुक हाँ ओहो हाँ। स्पोर्ट मोड में Ola wins. Okay, so in normal mode we are going to take on Dio. ओके हाँ तू हॉर्न देगा 3 बार।
1, 2, 3।
ओके नॉर्मल मोड। ओके नॉर्मल मोड Dio wins. ओके चलो।
ओके 1, 2, 3।
हो गया। Again Ola wins. Oh भाई, the brakes are really good. हाँ और थोड़ा आगे जा, और थोड़ा आगे जा, और थोड़ा, बस बस। ओके एक सेकंड, मैं हॉर्न करता हूँ। ओके लेट स्टार्ट। Oh, this thing is crazy, huh? Even getting a head start or several meters ahead for this thing, this one just kills it. Bolo 3, 1, 2, 3 bolo.
1, 2, 3, 3 on. Okay? Ready?
Oh. Oh, madam wins in the S1 Pro. I think you need to slow down, huh? Be careful at the end. There are people over there. Just slow down once you cross that third pole. 1, 2, 3. After third pole you slow down. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult to stop. Or either ways you just chill. You already won the race.
No.
Okay. Oh, hyper mode, it is unbeatable. Oh, this thing is incredible. Oh, Air wins. Air wins. I hope it captured it well. Both of us started. ఇప్పుడు హైపర్ పెట్టుకో. Sport mode, S1 Air wins over S1 Pro.